Did you do this side? Okay.
Let's do that. So we got a copy of the. On one side was the answers to that practice probability quiz. The other side we're going to look at right now.
Oh,
Oh, this here? Okay. All right, everybody's got a copy of that? All right. Just because this might affect me a little bit, I just want to let you know I got a little bit of bad news. It's nothing too bad. It's going to rock me a little bit, so. Sorry. It's nothing too bad. Worse. Sorry. So just in case I lose my train of thought or something. Cool.
Bear with you.
Yeah, just bear with me. Nobody's dying or anything. It's just not the best news that I've ever gotten, but it'll be all right. Give me a second. Sorry. Let me write this up here. Seriously, trust me. I thought about it, but there's just there's no time. Just gotta power through. All right, so sorry about that. I should have kept that to myself. So we talked about this one last time. We actually developed that formula last time. So just a real quick, did you guys try that out yet? The little worksheet on the back of that answer key? No. All right. So why don't we take a minute? Let me do one quick example in case you weren't here, in case you forgot. Say it takes 78 people. And we know the probability that somebody likes soccer is, let's say, what do you got, Jeff? 57%. And I want to know what's the probability that out of those 78 people, exactly 42 of them like soccer. How would I set up? Well, first off, can you identify the important parts? What's N? 78. What's little p going to be? 0.57. So what's Q? 0.43. I like it. And this formula, it looks worse when you have to write it down in general. It's a lot better when you just deal with an individual problem. So what do I want to do? I want to have 78 people, and from those 78 people, I want to choose 42 of them to like soccer. So I got 78 people, and you can just plug and chug. Of course, now I know what N is, I know what P is, I know what Q is. What's X for this problem? Yeah, 42. I like it. So P is the probability of success, and remember, success could be a bad thing. Finding a squirrel with rabies or whatever. So it's not yay, success. It's just what I'm looking for. This has got to be the opposite of that. It's got to be the leftover. 1 minus this is this. X is the number of successes. Cool. So 78 choose how many? 42. So then I want how many successes? I like how it's repetitive. How many successes do you want? 42. So how many failures does it mean you want?
78 minus 40.
Yeah, 78 minus 42? 36. Cool. So this plus this will always have to be the total number. because you're breaking them up into two groups, right? Cool. And where do you find this here? I think on the paper I actually tell you, I'm not going to write it up here, I tell you which buttons to press. That's one of the first times you see me accepting that we're going to push buttons to get something, because what is it actually doing? Counting how long the list would be of all the ways you could do this. So this is going to be huge. You got 78 people, you want to choose 42, so it could be the first 42, the last 42, the middle 42, the first 4 and the last 38. The first 4, the middle 5, oh God. That's going to be crazy big number. Hopefully I didn't make the numbers come out. Everybody try this out yet? Did your calculator freak out, or does it give you something? It gives you a number? Thank God. Because sometimes, if I'm not careful, I'll push the extremes too far and the calculator says overflow error, something like that. You've gone beyond its abilities to calculate.
Pretty large though.
2.16.
Say again?
2.16.
Times 10 to the 27.
Well, is that just this?
Yeah.
All right. Keep going. Put the whole thing in your calculator. Yes, ma'am. 0.0772. 2. All right, let me see what I get. Let's double check. Let me know right now if you're not able to do that. If you're not able to do that because you don't have a calculator, then get a calculator. Where'd it go? There it is. Yeah, 0.772. That's what I get. Good. All right, is everybody who's trying that able to get that? You guys good with that? The reason you want to put the whole thing in at once... Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh, all right. Let me put it up here. Did I turn him on? Yeah. Someday it'll turn on. So there it is, right there. Good job! And here's how you do it. 78. And then under math, thanks, John. Yeah.
Oh, so much better.
78, under math. If you have the older model, it might not have this many options, but you go to the PROV or the PRV for probability. The third one down is choose. Now, if you have the older model, I can't remember what it looks like on the screen, but it doesn't look like that. 78, choose 42. The newer model, you got to remember to push over to get out of down or up if you're in the exponent or if you're in the subscript. Push over to get the hell out of there. Times, what was it now, 0.57?
Yeah.
To the 42nd. Over times 0.43 to the 36. Cool. 0.0771. So it's 1/6, so you make it 2. I like it. Cool. How's everybody? You guys cool with that? Okay. Let me set something. Shoot. Oh well. Real quick. I was hoping I had this. Since I have the calculator up here, remember the x, p of x stuff? Like that looks like an x, p of x problem. Do you see that? There's my x's, there's my p of x's. Is that cool? So I definitely need to see your handwork. You fill the table in, you show me the formulas. So let me show you, as long as I got this up here, let me show you the shortcut. Help me out, where's the data for this problem? It's not quite right, because that makes it seem like there's only 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So what do I need to be told so I get the complete picture of the data? 1 and 2, right? List 1 and list 2. But I only have one variable up there. Is that cool? It's just that list 2 tells me how many repeats there are. Are you guys still with me? So I know how to get a 1 variable stats. But if I go to do 1 var stats to get the mean and the standard deviation, I have to tell it. Now, this is interesting. I go to stat, count, 1 var stats, and I tell it L1, and now you see why there's a freq list. The frequency is going to be in L2. L1 and L2. If you have an older model, you just, at the end of where it says 1 var stats, you put L1, comma, L2. And now if you do it, it tells you the mean, it tells you the standard deviation. See how n is 1? That actually is like the sum of the probabilities is 1. That's what that means. You alright?
We have the same data in our list, but
I had to re-put it in. I had to change mine. I have 1, 2, 3 lists because I erased that. Alright. We gotta just show you that as long as I have the calculator up. So, why don't you guys just take a few minutes? I know some of you guys at least started this already. So take a few minutes and buddy up with a few other people, kind of check where you are, see if you can finish this up. I'll give you just like 5 minutes to look this over. I'm going to do it up here on the overhead. What's up?
I just have a quick question on how to use the formula of the calculator, because I get it here.
Okay. Oh, see how you have the new, see how you just come down the other.
Oh, how do you
Watch this. It actually kind of tells you. There. So 0.57 to your right, and then you get over, then you're down. What were we supposed to put?
Probability of failure, right?
Oh, for the one I just did, I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because I deleted the data I had from before. Okay, yeah. But really what was important there is just the process.